Guys, it's Mike from Adventure Streaming Guys, and we're fishing with Eric today. And this probably looks like the Normandy Beach invasion. The boat ramp, I've never seen it so crowded in my life. They're literally, we must have driven past 200 boats already, or maybe more. That's I'm probably being conservative. We're gonna go catch some bait and hopefully get some big bass. Cut to the right. Now come right around the net, and well, I'm pretty sure we got him that time. Yeah. Yep, that's good. That's plenty. That's all we need. There you go. Still there. There's a bass. I could see the bass chasing him. Yep. Awesome. That was an epic hit, man. That thing just freaking. That one wasn't negotiating with the bait. He just crushed it. I love when they do that. It's cool. We got a nice little bite here. Fish is busting your chops here. Yeah, it looked like it when he crushed it. Really fighting good now. Oh wow, nice fish. That's a nice bass. Holy crap. Don't call the chickens before they hatch. Let's give him the boat.
That's a sweetheart. Fish.
That's a nice fish. Look at the water you just pushed up there.
That's a monster.
All right, go easy. He's just got one hook in. Just get another crank in. Don't come too high with the rod. Nice fish.
Wow. Good job, Eric.
Yeah, that's nice. That's a slob. Nice. 47 inches or so? 47 inches, yeah. It's about, it's hard to say. Let's see. He's bouncing. He's just about 40 pounds. Maybe 39, 40. Ready. So what you do is grab him by the tail and just do that with him. Yeah. Let him go. Keep going. Look at the size of the head on that guy or girl. Keep doing it till she's ready to kick. Come on, baby.
40-pound bass go.
Nice. There you go. Nice job. All right.
Yeah.
Oh man. Wait for it. If you flip your bail open, if you could let him, if he wants to swim, maybe not. Oh, it's a blue. Was that a blue? Lift the line up so he doesn't tangle up. There's two bass there. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, here we go. Bluefish. That bite.
There was a big one, but I think the ones that I just saw were like 20.
He's right behind you.
Yeah.
You just hit him.
Yeah, he's not big enough. That's cool. Good camera fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
How you want? Are you live bait?
Here we go.
Yeah.
There, grab it. You got it.
Eric's fighting a nice fish here. Live bunker. Long Island Sound. Beautiful evening. Look at that.
Oh no, he came off.
Well, that's nice. Perfect release.
Oh. Fishing today with go out, get some bunker, and then hopefully get some nice bass. I could feel them vibrate in the net. Perfect. Nice. Good job. Nice.
And that's how it's done, boys.
Nice. Striper fish cakes?
Oh, you never had that?
You gotta give me the recipe.
I gotta make that for you. We mix a little bit of crab meat in with them, you know. Watch them in that motor, Austin.
Crank on them.
Nice, yeah.
It's good. This is perfect size to keep, yeah. Nice. Good job. Take that. Hang on. What happens is when you hook them, your bait comes off the hook, and now the bait's out there, so the bait's gonna get eaten. I got you. I just wanted to hook that one that was out. Stay on the reel and I'll grab him. All right. Yeah, about the same size as the first one. He fought a lot harder though. Yeah. You got one playing with yours, right? You got him? You go give him a good hook set. Got him? Nice. Awesome. Yep.
I'm not sure,
Nice.
but that might have been the one that was breaking
That
up
was
there.
messing with that one, yeah.
Threw it right up.
We watch. This bait's gonna get hit, I bet. He hit it up top too, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Love seeing that. It's so calm too. You could see every little wake, you know, when that fish comes up and follows it. Nice. This one looks a little bit bigger. I think this guy's gut hooked. You can see him. He's lift the rod tip up, pull him right up. Nice. This guy's bigger, but he's bleeding like crazy.
You better box him.
Look at I could see the bass chasing him. I could literally see the bass right behind it. Get it? Did he get it? No? Oh, that one looks, look at that. It's all over it. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, keep it there. Did he get it? Did he get it? No. Oh my God, come on. There might be two of them chasing it. See if you could open your bail, you get them away from the boat a bit. Oh, that looks like a good one. Come on. Oh, yep. Come on, get him. Did he get it? Did he get it? No. You get it? Does he have it? Reel. Does he have it? Does he have it? He's swimming towards you. Reel it. You got him. Yep. He's swimming at you. Nice. Look at. There's two fish chasing your bait. Is he off?
Yeah. Rig back.
Oh man.
That's a good fish.
Got him? Nice. Off. Keep it there. See if maybe he'll come back for it. Yep. Still on it. Come on.
Oh, what
Did he get it? Nice.
Great.
Nice. That looks pretty big.
Nice tail.
Good sized tail.
I'm filming the bait and he's trying to fish. He played that nicely.
Well, he had it, and then it came off, and then he came back for it.
Right.
Looks like a good sized fish too. Nice bass.
He was really calm about it. Very poised.
Here we go, on the spook. Yeah, no, that's fine.
Another one going right at the tip of the mouth.
Perfect. Great hook set. Snagged them in the mouth. No. They have fight to them because they're I think some of these are migratory, so they fight harder than
Fresh fish.
yeah. But that's what's nice. You use the treble hook, and some people are afraid of using treble hooks. You just set the hook quick. I mean, look, that was just a perfect. Look at that. Nice.
Very nice.
Nice solid fish.
Yeah. Let them go. Let them grow. Yeah, like a catamaran kayak.